Hello, welcome to Beauty Mark Wellness Center. Come on in. I'll show you my office. We are located in Orange County, Southern California, and we are specialized in wellness, integrative medicine, traditional medicine, treatment of many medical conditions with more of a natural and traditional approach as well. And this is my office. I have two examining rooms. And this room is usually used to examine my patients. And this room right here I use it for procedures. We do some aesthetic procedures as fillers, Botox, minor pills, and because the philosophy of our practice is to feel good inside and look good on the outside as well. And this is my medical office, actually, where many times I see my patient. I think they are more comfortable in this environment where we can sit down and talk about their medical issues. And as I said before, we do, these are some of my diplomas. I'm board certified in internal medicine, and I'm part of the American Academy of Anti-Aging, and I'm board certified in anti-aging functional medicine. And I treat many conditions from weight loss to chronic fatigue, low thyroid, and I'm specialized in natural hormone treatment for women with hormonal disturbances due to perimenopause, menopause, PMS, and of course we treat men as well with low testosterone, infertility, and different concerns. And we love our practice, we love our patients, and our goal is wellness and prevention and keeping our patients beautiful and healthy. I'll show you, if anyone wants to make an appointment, you can call me at 949-600-7714. Again, 949-600-7714. And Cecilia is my personal assistant that usually answers the phone. And I'll be happy to see you guys as soon as possible. Thank you, and bye-bye.